We are under the weather in the Windrome. First driver to blow past the finish line wins.
What the?
Elliot will need a chassis to hold that wheel in place.
That'll be perfect! Whoa!
He'll just be spinning his wheels if he can't find one.
Genius! He's found a garage that will protect against the wind.
Would you say he's breaking wind, Wheeler?
No, I wouldn't.
Pit crew! I need a muscle car with lots of torque.
Elliot's car is almost built, but it appears he's missing a windshield. The wind is getting stronger the closer he gets.
Lend a hand?
Got it! Coming back!
Unbelievable! He's surfing across the drome and the crowd is going wild!
Well, I am totally blown away.
Nice job! And yeah! Whoa! Pit crew!
I don't want to be long-winded, folks, but I've seen it all before. We're in for a long, hard slobber knocker of a race. A real...
You were saying? Elliot, what would you say was your toughest challenge of this drome?
I would probably say the wind.
Well, the next drome is your final one.
Really?
Who knows? Sure, maybe. Thanks, everybody, and see you next time.
Demo Derby takes a big lead over...
It's moving so fast I can barely keep